amwe ituri maundu mamwe twamona rita rĩa mbere twoka gũkũ Gĩcuka kana twagĩa na kanya ga kuma ndũnyũ-inĩ cia icagi-inĩ ko ici tũrĩ ndũnyũ cia icagi-inĩ ciarahũkire
icagi rĩu ti ta tene,
especially with technology and power. Actually ngwĩciria thĩna witũ mũnene ũrĩa watũma icagi cigonderere mũthithũ wa na mbere nĩ infrastructure and power.
Thitima.
Yes.
Kuma thitima yahunja icagi na nginya mabarabara magĩthondekwo kũndũ kũingĩ rĩ.
Yes.
Icagi nĩ ciarahũkire.
Tondũ na ti kũndũ kũingĩ ũiguaga atĩ matatũ ĩkinyaga hana. Nĩ tene waiguaga matatũ ĩkinyaga hana. Ĩkagarũrũka. Yes.
Gwitũ ciarengagĩra gacarage-inĩ.
Yes.
Nginya gacarage-inĩ rĩu mwateo hau nĩ nyawĩra Serina rĩ.
Yes.
Kũu kũngĩ wĩtwarie mĩito ya kwanyu.
Gwitũ ciakinyaga Karũgia tiete kwarĩ rami. Yakinya Karũgia ĩgacoka. Yes.
Kanogio nĩ thabarĩ.
Rĩu he maũndũ very basic tona me very basic ũmũthĩ. Na nginya icagi-inĩ mekuo. Ithuĩ we would have only imagined or it was unfathomable. Yes. As basic as maũndũ wetirio ũgĩthi secondary warigagwo nĩ kĩĩ kĩu. Yes. You see, most of us growing up in the rural areas, kindu gitagwo as basic as tissue paper,
TP,
tuona turi agima piu. TP. Ayire na ndizo to ne tutuicera nginya icagi citu ri. Ndukoraga mimerere ya meragi au right beside the toilet.
Saliwa.
People no longer use those rudimentary methods.
Andu ni adoptire maundu ma kiriu.
Yes. Ona the few and the opportunity ya ucerera matata ma buruburu na botera na satellite ni mwega hiyo muno ni tissue. And you know, Stacy might not know, tissue tena cia buru na green.
Yale cia color.
No one would buy that today.
Nobody.
No, the colored ones are pink. Period. That is the fight goes. They have a pink coloration. Tena cia green. Na bururu. Yes. And I think there was only one brand yet called Toilex.
No, widely spread.
Yes. Na ndoige twakũra na twauma rũgongo tũtarĩ tuona. Yes. Actually, I do not remember a shop kũrĩa gwitũ yego Gĩthũngũri ya stockaga TP. Todo, you will sell it to who? Yes. Well, got the Arabia, and that was considered a rich man's luxury.
You can do without.
Yes. What you want to matata man, you mock it a woman, you fit in here, na handy bag.
Aya, nea.
In you, in your mother stationary. You use the tabloids. A tabloid in a newspaper. And you know, it was not even a growing concern. Because it has the toiletry. Yes. There's tissue there. Well equipped. It was not a growing concern. Gathiti yacuragia hau kamucumari-inĩ
ĩcucangĩtwo
we ocagũra nĩ item ĩrĩ kwĩra ũkeni
ocagũra nĩ mwena wa politics,
yes,
mwena wa sports,
kana obituary
kana crossword,
kana ũgũ kwa auction. You know, it is good to say these things. Generation ĩno nini makamenya kũrĩa tumĩte. Yes. Actually, on a gatheti it was not a mass product within the home.
No.
It was a reserve of your father, your parents. In your age, you figure it out.
Familiarize yourself with the environment.
No, hygiene was not, I mean, it has since very much improved.
No, remarkably.
Remarkably well. In your age,
wewe zunguka huko.
Umeona kosi totiagoragirwo. we hata wenda na huko msituni TP ama ito TP wacio nile shopping yaku ya form 1
wathie boarding
mwaheo list
indo iria batie kugurirwo
ukona wandikirwo toilet soap
ni twamba tukahingika twari toilet soap ri
mwe family mamukorani athiriri kuri thamuni wa bami gwa fosa guthie muci ucio ngimeteirwo mathomia iria mwana ku meru ucio ni thabuni wa kwioga
o niguo uretwo toilet
no ragitwo toilet ni ndo nigetha thutukanio na kibande kibande ni kia nguo na theko ndungithie te kibande kio rahura nguo no kiweka
no kio rethamba nakio.
You see, at home soap was multi
purpose.
Yes,
one bar of soap,
it will wash your utensils and wash your father.
Na mkicheza ng'ombe ipite nayo.
Yes, muone tu ng'ombe inatoa bubbles kwa mapua. No, some of us are from the struggle. TP
ya ndo muna ticio ria mbere
Yes.
ni guthie thukuru wa boarding.
Yes. Ni docio cia gorwori. The other family would be led to gaze in out.
Karigo haya
Diki kiohe.
na nikio guthithe ko wari horo munene.
Yes, diki kiohe. Yo ni thabuni wa Rexona.
Ati
Kai, thabuni uko huo.
te bunugere
Teku. Kai, uranu gamarasi. Kai, uandikitwo flamingo e. Okay, ti flamingo ni flamingo.
uno waki
Wa gwithamba.
uyu
Ngai ye. Kakwa thabuni uranunga methuguiti. Anjere ona ciana imwe cianyu ri ciatumura kamwe na icune
ikarorerwo kidogo.
Yes. No, we were wowed by things we consider very basic today.
Ginya dawa ya magego.
Yes. Kwaja dawa ya magego na mwakinyana subi na mitara kwa ya Lebanon.
Ya utweka mutara kwa na huo kiumira bara.
Yes. Ukarigo kai. Station ito kone tisio. Gaye ukarigo kimwe kyanyu kigati. Ndaciarete kwa tata Jerry Biafra. You see, thoguo ni igua aturetwo muno akurira rangi wa iratu uria munene.
Nawe ndari.
Ukamanya nima kuhea the burden of we are passing the mantle.
Ukurirwo rangi wa iratu.
We are investing on you for the future of
the family.
Yes.
Ukurirwo rangi wa iratu na thoguo ndari rangi wa iratu.
Na fura cigire yakwa kana gucainithi.
To thukuru niguo irathana.
Yes. Na mukandikirwo hau body lotion. Titi petroleum jelly. Lotion. Wewe kucia ndikagira mundu body lotion. Yes. Ugetherwo kihoga tari ritwa. Kana ukona ati ni muru wa nyukwa mama agurirwo maithirini maria manene na ati ti mahutia ni mundu
make wiki
athie namo.
You would gaze.
Teach you. You would grow your own hand beside the toilet. Maigoya nakiria. Otherwise marema ro konyumeta gwatia.
Getuthu.
Ikeu.
And you had to develop a skill. Ya kumatua.
Yes. And you know most of us have spent the better part of our years softening paper. Wira tathiria jibi tene ria riri umu. Riu rigetha huthie ngeji.
Kia iratathi.
Wamba ukariganĩria rũhĩ. Ugacoka rĩu ũkanjia. Ũnyihie gĩko rĩa sandpaper to avoid injury. We are from the scramble and partition of Africa.
The dark years.
And it was very okay. You would even find it very okay. Your father softening
the packaging of maize flour.
Yes. And books that were beyond revision. Primary. They would graduate into toiletries. Ya kuria na notice yaku cia home science.
GACC.
Ahora igeze ku kona mwana uitu ni agwaga.
Akenda na 47.
Ni muthirikaine bati tucokanĩrĩrie hamwe. Tuhe o andu OGW.
Mundu wothe wahereo. Kana tu exempt magoti mamwe.
To tiganĩire twanyitĩire bũrũri. The gains made.
Na no ithuĩ tũrarengwo housing levy.
Mũndũ ekũrĩa ũigua wĩkĩro gĩakwa harĩ igũrũ wa nyũmba. Ũigua mũndũ atheka. Nĩ kuona nĩ wanyitĩte zero art and craft.
Kamenya you are danda.
Yara tondũ atũmirwo secondary.
Akenda na 47.
Let me tell you Maina. Hizi wachana sisi. Ukituona tukiringa tukipost Prado zetu and our small achievements, we are from the struggle. No tisitone siare ligeta kwa blution bro.
That was one way of recycling used materials.
And no books were immune except religious books. Yeah,
kare kangi twagura exercise book ya guthie health center
kaihura ri na kuonekana mirimu iria warwarite ndirarikari it would be relegated to toilet wathiagia nia kio na record cia MOH no na vieti guku na mwene maratwatha
to kawe na muhota